couple of cool safety features about this circular saw is that it's got a 2-stage activation switch, because anything that makes this turn fast with those sharp little teeth is going to be dangerous. So if I happen to have the battery in the circular saw, like so, I need to actually start the machine by a 2-stage activation, which is to press this little switch on the side here before I pull this trigger in here. If I happen to pick it up while the battery's in, I kind of can't start it unless I depress that first. So it really does eliminate, I have to think about how to turn it on. If I happen to be walking along thinking I'll pick that saw up, I can't turn it on. Great safety feature. In order to turn it on, you will need to depress that, then pull that in. Then that one can rest in a good location, and then you're ready to cut. Take the battery out for a sec. The other cool safety feature with this one is it's got a nice retractable blade here. So it's important that you allow this retractable blade to do what it's supposed to, which is pretty much underneath here. As you slide through the timber will catch that and move it back. And as you come out of the end of the timber, it will release. So there should be no teeth exposed all the way through the cut, making it very hard to get your fingers near that blade.